What is social selling? Social selling is where you're incentivizing people to share your products by offering them money, essentially. So what we do is we say, hey, get $10 for free again and again. You give your friends 10% off when you share, and you get $10 when they buy. And you give them options to share: email, Facebook, Twitter. And you can use this post-purchase. You can use it in your email sequences. You can use it on your website. It's a great way to incentivize people to refer your products to their friends. I call it social selling. It's a fantastic strategy. Now, when we look at the applications that are available for social selling, there's really, friend buy. That's number one. We love friend buy. We use friend buy. It's sort of an expensive application. It's fantastic. If you were going to look at a second type of referral program, second place would be referral candy. Doesn't have as many features, a little bit more affordable, still does the basic things that you need as far as a referral program goes. So for referral programs and social selling, friend buy or referral candy are going to be the ones that you want to use. Now, what is a coupon pop-up? Well, a coupon pop-up is something that pops up right when someone lands on your web page, on any one of your pages, and says, hey, get a discount. Here's a coupon for you. Give us your email address. It's kind of like an exit intent pop-up, except for that it happens immediately when they land on the site. So it's not even, they don't have to exit to trigger it. And these are very popular in e-commerce today. All the big sites are doing them because the big websites are starting to realize that email is one of the great ways to make money. So they're getting people on their email address. And so this is what it looks like. We'll notice that there's a share button. So in this case, they've locked it. They've said, get your coupon by either subscribing or sharing. And they've sort of gated their coupon. You can also do it where you just say, hey, give us your email address. You just pop up an option to get your email address. So it's essentially like the header pop-up that we use, but it happens right when you land on the website. It's a great strategy for getting more leads onto your pre-purchase list. Now, the real winner here is Better Coupon Box. They're really kind of the only people in the game. There's a lot of ones out there, but they do the best job. Better Coupon Box for coupon pop-ups. Now, what is cart abandonment? Well, cart abandonment is where someone reaches your shopping cart and they bail. They're like, I'm out of here. Well, what we want to do in that case is try to get their email address and put them on a cart abandonment email list so that we can save that sale. On average, in e-commerce, what will happen is 68% of people that make it to your checkout page or your shopping cart will leave. That's like a lot. So when someone enters their email address here, you want to be scraping that email address and putting them onto an email list because they may not actually complete this order. Now, there's a ton of these out there. There's more cart abandonment tools than probably any other third-party app. Pretty much any of them will work, and a lot of email CRMs offer this feature built in. So the reason I'm pointing it out here is because it's something that you want to do. It's not necessarily like there's not one app that's better than another. There's a bunch of them out there, but it's just something you definitely want to be doing. Now, landing page builders. So what is a landing page builder? Well, there's certain types of pages that you're going to need for your post-purchase automation sequence. Like this is a page here where we're incentivizing our customers who buy from us to give us a video review that we can use on our product detail pages. Here's a page that was for one of our Mother's Day sales. So you want to be able to quickly and easily and dynamically generate landing pages for your e-commerce store. Sales pages, offer pages, promotional pages, social pages. And it's much better than hiring a designer and a developer to have a page builder that will do this stuff for you very easily. Now, here's another example. You might want to do pre-sale article pages or long-form sales pages. So you want to be able to quickly and easily build these pages without needing a designer and a developer. Now, the clear winner in this case is Zipify Pages. It also happens to be a software that I own. There's other landing page builders out there, but there's not other landing page builders out there that are specific to e-commerce that plug in with one click to your e-commerce store so that all the analytics are there that build e-commerce specific pages for you. So Zipify Pages is going to be the landing page builder that you're going to want to use for your e-commerce business. Now, one-click upsells. What is a one-click upsell? Well, it's an immediate 12 to 25% increase in your average order value on your store. It's pretty incredible what a one-click upsell can do. So for those of you who may not know yet what a one-click upsell is, what it is it's after someone has made a purchase. So they've made a purchase. They've actually gone through the purchase process. And after they've done that, what we're doing is we're saying add an additional item or more than one additional item. You can have multiple offers. If they say no to this, you can show another one with one click. So we're giving them the option to have a special one-time offer, and with one click, they can add the item to their order. And what will happen is 12 to 25% of people who purchase a product from you will purchase another product right there with one click, no other integrations needed, no credit card information needed, and it will significantly increase your average order value, which is fantastic because what that does is it gives you the ability to spend more on advertising because you're making more money per sale. And what a lot of people will do is they'll have a tree. They'll offer one product, they'll offer another product, they'll offer another product. If someone says no, they'll offer one thing. If someone says yes, they'll offer another thing. So there's logic that's built into this. And what happens is someone goes through your product detail page, they end up on your shopping cart, they check out, they hit this upsell tree right here. It's actually called an upsell tree because there's multiple sort of pick your own destiny things that happen, whether or not they say yes or no, they're going on to different offers. Or you could just make one offer. Now the best software for this is also a software that I created specific for Shopify called One Click Upsell. And the reason it's the best is because it's the only one out there, but also we put so much time and energy into this thing, building the logic. Now with e-commerce, you might have multiple products in your shopping cart, and each of those products might have a specific upsell tree attached to them. So the tool, the app, needs to know what to do based on what products are in the cart and how many upsells there are, and sort of there's a lot of logic that goes into how this works, but it is a very important element of your overall e-commerce store. It's one of the ways that you can pretty much immediately, day one, get 12 to 25% increase in your bottom line on your e-commerce store. Fantastic application to use. Now, it should be noted that those are just the essential ones. There's other great applications out there. There's bundling apps, there's discounting apps, there's shipping and inventory applications that plug into your store, there's customizing apps like where you can do product customization, there's niche specific applications for fishing stores and whatever else. There's like niche apps that'll work specifically for certain stores or certain integrations, and there's more. So what you really want to do is check the App Store. It's called the Shopify App Store. You can Google it or whatever platform that you're using. I hope you're using Shopify because it's by far the best, but whatever platform that you're using will have an app store, and what you want to do is take a look consistently at the new apps, the new integrations, see what's out there, and make sure that your store is utilizing the optimal technology stack of third-party applications to increase your performance and conversion to its best possible state.